Hello everyone! Again, welcome na naman dito sa aking YouTube channel. Again, this is Yana. And today's vlog, bagong-bago na putangan online ang ating pag-uusapan. At ayon sa loan app na ito, pwede nga daw makahiram hanggang 500,000 pesos. And actually, inaprubahan nga nila ang aking loan application hanggang 500,000 pesos. Akalain mo, ilang minuto lang mga beshi, abay approve na nga daw yung loan application ko and malaki pa nga yung inaprubahan nila. 500,000 pesos at 36 months yung ino-offer nila na payment terms. Pero sana mapanood nyo yung buong video na ito mga beshies para malaman nyo kung okay nga ba ito na pwedeng utangan. Pero bago ang lahat, kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking YouTube channel, abay mag-subscribe ka na nga po para makasali sa ating weekly pa GCash giveaways. At meron nga din po tayong monthly pa cellphone giveaways na in-announce po natin every 25th of the month. At ayun na nga, congratulations sa winner natin last January, si Ma'am Lysel. At syempre, sa mga previous month winner pa natin. At ito na nga mga besh, ang pag-uusapan natin ay si Tini or Tiny Safe and a Fast Loan. Under nga ito ng Sambria Lending Corporation. At ito nga mga beshi ay merong 4.8 star. Medyo mataas yung star niya ha. And kung ito ang pagbabasehan natin, parang akala mo ay magandang utangan. Kaya nga sana mapanood nyo yung buong video natin. Pero mga beshies, 899 reviews pa lang yung makikita nyo dito sa kanilang app. Kaya onti pa lang talaga yung gumamit or nag-try dito. And makikita mo talaga na bagong-bago nga yung loan app na ito. At kapag i-download nyo nga at i-open yung app, lang nating maglagay ng ating mobile number. At syempre meron na naman tayong matanggap na OTP or one-time password. At kailangan na nating ma-input dyan. Hanggang 500,000 yung pwedeng mautang. Really? Low interest, low loan terms, instant payout. Kailangan nyo sagutan itong basic information, yung kompletong pangalan nyo, date of birth, gender, at yung marital status. What is your minimum monthly earnings? Ang nilagay ko dyan ay 25,000 pesos. What is the name of the company you work for? Optional nga daw ito. At contact number of your company, optional din. At input your ID infos. With your ID photos, we can verify your identity. Ito na nga mga beshies, yung ID na tinatanggap. Driver's license, national ID, passport, improve postal ID, PRC ID, SSS ID, TIN ID, at yung UMID ID. At kailangan nating sagutan din itong personal references. At dito mga beshies, dalawa lang din yung hinihingi nila na personal references. So ito na nga, choose your desired loan amount. At kung makikita nyo dyan, ang nilagay ko ay 500,000 pesos. At 36 months naman, yung nilagay ko na payment terms or to pay within 36 months. You apply for a loan of 500,000 pesos. Input your payout details to receive your fund in success. At meron nga tayong pagpipilian, pwede sa GCash at pwede rin via bank. Disperse in real time unless for payout exception. GCash yung pinili ko, loan amount ay 500,000 pesos. Loan months, 36. Email address, kailangan natin ilagay dyan. At syempre, ang ating GCash number. At eto na, review your loan info. Before submitting your loan application, double check the fees and payment schedule. Loan amount, 500,000 pesos. Loan terms, 36 months. Really? Total interest ay 75,000 daw. Doon sa 500,000 na utangin ko. Meron nga daw itong monthly interest rate na 0.42%. Loan start dates ay February 12, 2024. At loan end dates ay sa February 12, 2027. First repayment date ko daw ay March 12, 2024. Monthly repayable amount ay 15,972.22. Bank number, ayan, GCash nga. So, kung mapapansin niyo mga beshi, 500,000 pesos, i-disburse nga lang daw sa GCash. Okay? So, signed agreement, pero bago pa yon, ito na nga yung babayaran natin every month. Sa March 12, 2024, 15,722. And same sa April 12, 2024, 15,972.22. May 12, 2024, 15,972.22. At hanggang nga daw sa matapos mabayaran ang ating utang. Loan and security agreement daw. Okay? February 12, 2024, contract number. Akalain mo parang totoo mga beshi ko. And phone number, ayan, syempre yung phone number ko. Dear Sir, Madam. And subject, your application for teeny or tiny safe and a fast loan, 36-month loan facility. Type of facility, repay in a monthly installment. Loan tenure, 36 months at loan amount nga ay 500,000 pesos. Merong nakalagay na nakakaloka. Dito talaga ako na-shock mga besh. Dito nga ay makikita nyo na scam ito. Okay? Ulit-ulit kong sinasabi sa inyo na kapag kayo ay umutang, kahit sa anong loan app man yan or kahit sinong nakachat nyo sa Facebook at hiningan kayo ng paunang bayad, kailangan may babayaran kayo sa kanila bago nila i-disburse yung loan proceeds, ay scam po yon. Kasi kaya nga tayo nangungutang, diba? Kasi wala tayong pera. Pero akalain mo, hihingan ka pa ng pera. At eto na nga, yung sinasabi ng loan app na ito, you need to top up 25,000 pesos in your loan wallet to activate your withdrawal key. After obtaining the key, you can withdraw the loan in your loan wallet. At meron mga nakalagay, refund and cancellation policy. Any additional payment made by you shall be refunded back within 30 days pursuant to the reconciliation of the account by Malayan Savings Bank. Ang gagawin ko nga daw para ma-disburse nila or ibigay nila yung 500,000 pesos na naaprubahan sa aking loan application nga, ay kailangan kong mag-top up sa aking account ng 25,000 pesos. Pero daw mga besh, yung 25,000 pesos ay maibabalik naman daw within 30 days. So, any additional payment made by you shall be refunded back within 30 days. Okay? Kaya nga mga beshies, please lang, itong mga ganitong pautangan online na nanghihingi muna ng pera sa inyo bago pa nila i-disburse yung loan proceeds ay hindi po yun totoo kasi tayo ay nangungutang kasi nga wala tayong pera pero tayo pa yung hihingan, diba? At akalain mo dun sa 500,000 pesos, magta-top up daw muna ko ng 25,000 pesos bago nga nila i-disburse yung loan proceeds. At eto na nga, nung tinuloy ko pa rin yung aking loan application, nag-signature ako. At eto, hello, we have received your loan project. We are verifying your information whether we can do the maximum loan for you. Please wait patiently. This process will not take more than 50 minutes. So, habang inaantay ko nga mga beshies yung loan application ko, pumunta ako sa kanilang app. At nakita ko nga ito mga besh, yung review. Actually, may mga 5-star na nagbigay, pero mag-ingat po kayo kasi kung titignan nyo naman yung pangalan nung nagbigay ng 5-star, eh parang hindi naman pangalang Pinoy at mukhang gawa-gawa ng empleyado nila. So, dito tayo titingin sa may nagbigay ng 1-star. At akalain mo mga beshies, ang dami pala nilang gustong makuha na pera. At ang sabi nga nitong isang umutang dito, it was the worst up. They would require a top-up few of 2,500 to withdraw the loan. They required another 5,000 for the transfer of the loan amount. Then suddenly, something went wrong with my channel. So they froze my loan, then required another 10,000 to unfreeze my account so that I can get my loan. If I have 17,500 on hand, do you still think I will avail of a loan such as scam? Diba? So, ang dami pala nilang hinihingi. At meron pa nga itong isa.
As for now, I am rating this app 1 star because I am trying to contact the customer service for my withdrawal key, but it seems that their customer service is not available, nor they maybe have no customer service. After few hours, I found a way on how to contact their customer service through Telegram, and yes, had conversation with the CSR, but the concern was answered by tapping up 2,500 so I could have my withdrawal key. So this is really a scam. I've read all the comment. Careful everyone. Dito pa, I have the same feedback with the other people here. I thought this app can help me with my financial problem. So hard to reach the customer service. I'm asking on my withdrawal key, but then it says I need to top up 2,500 for me to get my withdrawal key. I'm applying a loan in this app because I need money, not to gain money. Tama naman.
So, yun mga beshies, yung mga iba't ibang reviews, kaya mag-ingat po kayo, okay? Kaya ang loan app na ito ay hindi maganda at mas lalong hindi nakakatuwa, okay? Sana may napulot kayo, may nakuha kayo na idea sa video na ito. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Sana i-like nyo din yung ating video at huwag nyo kalimutan na i-share. Thank you guys for watching at see you on my next video. Bye-bye!